Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this tutorial video brought to you by setld. Today, we're going to look at information solutions in our Gulf of Mexico data product, specifically pertaining to reserves. There's two ways to access the reserves data. One is the button in the center of your screen, and the second is the Reserves Info tab at the bottom of the Power BI interface. As the data loads, you'll notice that we have information slicers on the left, info summary blocks up top, charts, and a map, all being populated by the data table on the bottom right of the Power BI interface. As you can see, at setld, we have over 57,000 reserves records. This is a lot of data, and not everyone's taken the time to organize the data like we have. So we're going to go through a brief exercise to isolate reserves for several different operators within a given field in the Gulf of Mexico. To begin this exercise, I'm going to filter down to the Regal field. The data is going to populate, and you'll notice that we have 4 main working interest partners within this field in several different blocks within the Gulf of Mexico. We have 126 reserves records to be exact. We have oil reserves, gas reserves, and BOE reserves. All of this data is exportable via XLS or CSV format so that you may load the data into whatever data application you may please. Furthermore, you can access this data in our ArcGIS map module to see a high-definition map of the various working interest partners within this given field and the blocks associated with that field. As you can see, we have broken down operator percentage to the 5th, 6th decimal place. We have Murphy, Crux, Calypso, Red Willow, Ridgewood, and others all operating within this given field. Nobody else has this information because here at setld, we've worked with the BOM, we've worked with the government, and we've worked with our team to devise the data into a format to break down the reserves for specific operators in given fields. So subscribe today to stay ahead of the curve.